What is going on, guys? It's Ernesto here with It's Kinetic Construction, and it is demo day, guys. So what we are doing is we're gonna demo the shop, and let's just go over what we're gonna do, right? So we're gonna take off all the wood, everything here, and this is gonna be drywall, right? So we're gonna make it all nice, make it smooth. Now as we go around, you can see all these little moldings, and all those are gonna come off because I want it to be all smooth walls throughout, and we need to put some better trim in the bottom. This window's obviously gonna stay, so we're just gonna take off all this molding, put new molding, paint it white, make it look nice. As far as the electrical, we're gonna put some cans on the ceilings, just shining down. It's gonna have a bunch of cans. It's gonna have 3, 4, and 4. Back here, as you can see, the outlets are outside, so we're just gonna get the electricians to push them back in. Alrighty guys, so demo day is almost over. All we missed is just the flooring, but the electricians are in here and stuff, so we don't wanna pull it off and then there's gonna be a whole bunch of dust. We'll just focus on that once they take off. We'll pull it up, scrape off all the glue and everything, but everything else is pretty much done, guys. So like I mentioned, all this is going to be drywall, finished out really nicely, and then we removed all the trim from everywhere, and as you can see, the electricians are already moving in the wires, so that way we can push that back, and it's inside the walls. All the trim was removed. We removed the doors, and then in here we removed all of the flooring, all of the trims and everything. And then in the bathroom, as you can see, we took off everything. We took off. And the reason why I decided to go with that, because I just wanted it so that it's super seamless, you know? I don't like working around the toilets and everything. Just take everything off. We're just gonna remove all of the wallpaper and skim everything, make it look nice and crispy, and that's it, guys. So on to the next video, guys. See you later.